Welcome, and follow me is a Xiaomi Mi A3, and today I will show you how to boot the device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and then select power off. Now once the device shuts off, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down simultaneously. And we're now in the Fastboot mode. So that is how you would access it. And once you want to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold the power key till the phone shuts off, and then it will power back on. And we're back in the Android system. So that is how you would boot your device into Fastboot mode and also leave it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.